In this video, we're comparing Klaviyo versus Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Klaviyo is powerful, but has a steep learning curve. You have to connect it to your store, set up tracking, and learn how to use its complex data tools. It offers many templates, but the editor has a lot of options that can feel overwhelming for beginners. Now, Kit is built for simplicity. You can set up a landing page or form in minutes. The dashboard is clean, and the editor focuses on writing simple text emails rather than complex designs. So, the verdict: Klaviyo is for power users, and Kit is for beginners and creators. Features and functionality. Klaviyo is designed specifically for online stores. It tracks everything your customers do, like what they bought, what they looked at, and even what they left in their cart. It uses this data to send automatic emails that drive sales like back in stock alerts or price drop notifications. Kit, on the other hand, is built for bloggers and creators. It focuses on growing your audience with landing pages and selling digital products directly. Its visual automation builder lets you draw lines between steps to plan how subscribers move through your emails. Verdict: Klaviyo wins for e-commerce sales. Kit wins for selling digital products and newsletters. Pricing. Klaviyo's pricing is based on how many contacts you have. There is a free plan, but it is very limited, only up to 250 contacts. Paid plans start for around $20 a month for up to 500 contacts and get expensive as you grow. Kit has a very generous free plan. You can have up to 10,000 subscribers for free with one basic visual automation. The Creator plan, which unlocks all features, starts at $39 per month, paid monthly, or $33 per month if you pay annually. Verdict: Kit has a much better free plan. Klaviyo can get pricey quickly. Design and templates. Klaviyo uses a drag-and-drop editor that is great for showing off products. You can easily pull in product images, prices, and buttons directly from your store. It is perfect for making visual, catalog-style emails. Now, Kit focuses on plain text emails. The idea is to make emails look like they came from a friend. You can add images, but it doesn't have the fancy design tools or product blocks that Klaviyo has. Verdict: Klaviyo wins for visual designs. Kit wins for personal, text-based emails. Analytics and reporting. Klaviyo tells you exactly how much money you made. It shows you which specific email led to a sale, so you know exactly what is working. You can see detailed data on every customer's spending habits. Now, Kit keeps the numbers simple. It shows you open rates, click rates, and subscriber growth. It's easy to understand, but it doesn't give you the deep financial data that online stores need. Verdict: Klaviyo wins for detailed data. Kit wins for simple overview. Final verdict. So, if you run an online store using Shopify or WooCommerce, Klaviyo is the clear winner. It connects deeply with your shop to help you make more money automatically. The cost is worth it for the extra sales it brings. But if you're a creator, a blogger, or coach, Kit is the better choice. It is easier to use, has great landing pages, and helps you build a relationship with your readers without tech headaches. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to sign up to either Klaviyo or Kit, you can use the links in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.